Welcome! If you're tired of those autoplay videos on LinkedIn and want to regain control over your feed, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to disable autoplay videos on LinkedIn using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. If you aren't logged in yet, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Next, click on the Me icon. This icon usually features your profile picture and will open a drop-down menu with various options related to your account. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage your account settings. Now focus on the left sidebar and click on Account Preferences. Here, you'll find several options related to your LinkedIn account settings. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Display. Under this section, locate and click on Autoplay Videos. This is where you can adjust how videos behave on your feed. You will see a toggle switch for autoplay videos. Simply disable this option by clicking it. Once disabled, autoplay videos will no longer start playing automatically as you scroll through your feed. And that's it. You've successfully turned off autoplay videos on LinkedIn. From now on, any video will require you to click the play button before it starts. This change not only enhances your browsing experience, but also helps conserve data if you're using a limited plan. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a quieter LinkedIn experience.